Hi, my name is Peter Tabling and I'm an industrial designer here at Tennant Company. What I want to talk to you about today are the rail systems that we've designed on the backs of our walk-behinds, our T300, T500, T600, as well as our ride-on T350. They're designed to help you store all the stuff that you take out with you when you go on your painting out. What we often see people carrying are spray bottles and rags, debris bags, or wet floor signs. So we've come up with a way to store all of those things right here. Instead of tying your debris bag to your handle, what you can do now is put it on these hooks that come out of the rails. The other thing you can do is store your spray bottle here on the rails on either side. And that rag that you've got stored on top of the machine, you can place that on one of the hooks as well. An option that comes with these walk-behinds that you may have purchased or are thinking about purchasing are these clips. These are designed to clip onto the rail on either side of the machine. And they come with all the features that come on the rail, plus the ability to store wet floor signs. Your bottle and rag can go right on here. Or you can put these on the other side and store not one, but two wet floor signs. The clip has also been designed to hold a debris bag. We hope this video has been helpful. We hope it'll help you keep your hands on the wheel while storing all of your tools that you need to have a successful cleaning day.